Hello everyone, welcome to all this channel. Today I am going to show you how to construct a regular polygon that is pentagon with a circumscribed circle of radius 50 units or 50 mm in AutoCAD. This is in engineering graphics subject. This is the pentagon fifth 50 mm with 50 mm of side distance. This is the dimension. This is the regular pentagon. Let us draw the step by step regular pentagon. I will show you the process. First, we need to start this with a horizontal line of 50 mm, then a vertical line of 50 mm, then connect both of these points. Let's Here you can see the namings. At last, I'll give the namings A, B, and P. This is A, B, and P. From A to B, 50 mm, and B to P, 50 mm. Connect the P and A line. This is the starting process. Then draw a circle from B to A. Trim the extra part like this. Then from the center point A to B. For namings, you can refer this A to B, the center point. A to B, the center point. Draw and A to P, the center point. Draw a line. Then again keep the line command. Draw a 20 mm line for the exact straight line. Trim the extra part. Trim the extra part. Now copy this line. Copy this line and paste here. Then move this line and keep this line here. Then use multiple points. Use these multiple points to keep these points 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For 9, 10 also you can do copy this one and paste. But we only need 5 so that this will be enough. This also no need for drawing the pentagon. But for reference you can keep for heptagon and octagon. Pentagon means 5 sides. It is a polygon with 5 sides so that the 5 we need to mark like this 4, 5, 6. From 5 you need to draw the circle. Here we will draw the circle and use the circle command again from A to B, again from B to A, again from this intersection point to B, again from this intersection point to A. Now take again the multiple points command and keep here one point. Again this intersection points you need to keep. Now remove this all circles. We need not. It is not required. Remove all these circles. Uh, Select all the circles and delete. Now take the polyline command from here to here. Connect all these points. Pentagon is completed. Now highlight this pentagon. Go to this properties. Second one, instead of default, keep 0.5. Now go to dimensions. In dimensions, linear. See the 50 units. We draw the pentagon of 50 units or 50 mm. Now the namings you need to give. I am copying the name. For this text you need to go to text and then single line text, give this 5 and 0, then you will get this text like this. You can do in this way. We can write the text here. After writing the text, click on enter. Again, then if we want to delete, if you the text writing is completed, click on escape. And if you want to delete, select it and delete. You can move the text even. Select on that this rectangular box, click on that, move it. Take the ortho mode for the correct placement. The regular pentagon is completed. I think you understood how to draw this regular pentagon in AutoCAD. Thank you for listening and seeing my video. Bye bye.